Installing a leakage sensor. From the underneath of the bottom drip tray on the front side, insert the cable through the guide hole on the bottom drip tray. Then, connect the cable to the interposer board. A support bracket is attached to the bottom side of the drip tray. Insert the leakage sensor module into the bracket. Route the leakage sensor cable around the mid plate. Secure the leakage sensor cable with the cable clip. Note, when routing the cable, make sure to secure the cable to all the cable clips on the mid-plate assembly. Route the cable around the mid-plate, following the sequence now shown. Front side 1 on the bottom side of the drip tray, 2, 3 through the guide hole on the mid-plate. Rear side 4, 5, 6, 7 through the guide hole on the mid-plate. From the top drip tray on the front side, secure the cable with the cable clip, and then insert the cable through the opening on drip tray cover. Secure the cable to the top drip tray on the front side. Open the drip tray cover. Secure the cable with all the cable clips. Fold the cable so it doesn't hang from the drip tray. Reinstall the following components back in the enclosure: mid-plate assembly, manifold, PCS cages, PCS, SMM3, blank filler, the trays into the front of the enclosure. Refer to the following videos for the procedures: installing a mid-plate assembly, installing a manifold, installing PCS, power conversion station, cages, installing a PCS, power conversion station, installing a DWC tray in the enclosure,